Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel Toán học, học toán. I wish you have a nice day with good weather. Today we start the lesson with subject learning English mathematics for all the children level 6, especially for Vietnamese children who want to improve their English mathematics. I'm very happy when you subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Today we keep starting the examinations too. This including 10 exercises. Now we start our examination. You have to do all the exercise before watching the guide solution. This is exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now, after finish your exercise, you can follow the solution from this video and compare with your results. Then you can find out the missing knowledge, what you have to improve your mathematics. Guide solution. Exercise 1. Express 12 over 20 as a percentage. How do we solve for this exercise? So the answer is 12 over 20 equal, you multiply these fractions with 1, and 1 is 100%. And now you do the calculations right here, and then you have the results. After that you put the percentage at the end of the result. Look, here you have 1 0 on the numerator. You delete with 1 0 on the denominator. So you have a 12 divided 2, you have a 6. With 1 0 here, you have a 60%. This is the result. We go to do exercise 2. Express 48% at the decimal. The answer is 48%. Now you write this number at the other way. 48 over 100. So you have a 20 on the denominator. Then you counting from the right to the left 2 numbers. 1, 2, and then you put point. So you have a result E 0, 1, 4, 8. We go to do exercise 3. Line of segments M and E 12 cm long. Point K is the midpoint of the line segments M and. Calculate K and The answer is first, you have to drawing the line segments M and with 12 cm long. After then, you put one key in the midpoint of the line segment. So you have a key M equal key N. It is the half of MN. K is the midpoint of the line segment MN. So MK equal KN equal MN over 2. It is the half of MN. So MN is 12 cm and the half of 12 is 6 cm. We go to the exercise 4. What is 60% of 80? The answer is 60% of 80 is. Now we only replace this word of by the calculation multiply. Then you have a 60% multiplied with 80. And now how we do this calculation? The first, you write 60% at another way. 60 over 100 multiply with 80. Then you delete 20 on the numerator with 20 on the denominator. So now you only have a 6 multiplied with 8 and the answer is 48. Now we go to do exercise 5. Mr. Minh deposited 50 million Vietnam dong in a bank. The bank pay 8% interest per year. How much money would he have in the bank after 1 year? Now we solve for this exercise. The money Mr. Minh have in the bank after 1 year, including the deposit, 50 million Vietnam dong, and the interest after 1 year. This is the deposit, and the interest you find out by you take 8% multiply with the deposit, and you have this is the interest. So the interest is 4 million Vietnam dong. And so the deposit and the interest, then after 1 year he have 54 million Vietnam dong. We go to the exercise 6. A class has 45 people. On a certain day, 9 of the people were absent. Find the percentage of the people who were present on that day. To solve this exercise, you have 2 ways to do. The first way, you find out the percentage of the people who were absent on the day. You take 9 over 4, 5 and multiply with 100, and then you have the percentage of the people who were absent. After then, you take 100%. Subtraction for the percentage of the people who were absent, you have the percentage of the people who were present. So the answer is 100%. Subtraction for the percentage of the people who were absent, and then you have 100%. Subtraction 20%, and you have the results 80%. This one, you have a 1/5. When you divide the numerator and the denominator for 9, and on the numerator you have a 1, and on the denominator you have a 5. And 1/5 multiplied with 100, you have a 20. And the second way, you take 45 suppression for 9, and then you have the number of the people who were present. After then, you find out the percentage of the people who were present by the people who were present over the total of the people and multiply with 100%, and then you have the same result. We go to do exercise 7. The average height of two boys is 131.6 cm. The average height of four girls is 128.3 cm. What is the average height of all the children? The answer is, you take the total of the height of 6 children and divide for 6, and then you have the average height of all the children. This is the total height of 2 boys, and this is the total height of 4 girls, and this is the total height of 6 children. Then you divide for 6, and you have the average height of all the children. The result is 129.4 cm. Now we go to do exercise 8. John shared his car with 2 friends. He gave 40% his car to Peter. Then he gave 1/3 of the remainder to Mary. He kept the rest of 48 cars. How many cars did John have at first? How we do this exercise? The first, we find out the percentage, so John cars given to Mary. Remember, this is 1/3 of the remainder. The remainder after he gave 40% his car to Peter. Then you take 1/3 and multiply with the remainder. John have 100% and he give 40% his card, and then the remainder is 60%. Multiply with 1/3, you have 20%. And now, second, we find out the percentage, so the rest of the car. You take 100% subtraction for the percentage, so the car you give to Peter, and the percentage, so the car you give to Mary, and then the result is 40%. 40% of the cars is 48, so the cars is, you take 48 divide for 40%, and then the result is 120 cars. Then we go to do exercise 9. A rectangular tank is 50 cm long, 40 cm width, and 45 cm high. The height of the water level in the container is 15 cm. How many more liters of water are required to fill up the tank completely? The answer is, now we remember the rectangular. you have 3 sides. This is the long, 50 centimeter, and this is the width, 40 centimeter, and this is the height, 45 centimeter. Now they put the water inside. This is 15 centimeter, and the question asks how many liter. You have to put water here for fill up the tank, and you have to find out the volume of the water in this side, and the side now is not the same side with this one. You also have the long is 50 centimeter, the width is 40 centimeter, but the height is not 45. It is only from here to here, and you find out it height by 45 subtraction 15, and it is 30. Then the answer is the liter of water are required to fill up the tank completely is the volume is the long multiply with the width and multiply with the height. And remember the height now is 45 subtraction to 15. So you have the 60,000 centimeter cube. And this is not the answer. The answer you have to change to the liter. So 60,000 centimeter cube you change to 60 decimeter cube, and this is 60 liter. Now we go to do exercise 10. This is the last exercise. Find digits in the place of 6 star such that 6 star 4 is divisible by 9. The answer is, if you want 6 star 4 divisible by 9, when 6 plus star and plus 4 divisible by 9, and you have a 6 plus with 4 is 10, and the nearest number of 10 divisible by 9 is 18. So you have a 10, and if you want to have a 18, and show the star is 8. We have just finished 10 exercise including in the examination too. I hope you can find out the missing knowledge that you can improve your mathematics. When you want to do more exercise from my video, please come to my channel every day. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you study well every day and achieve a high result. See you next lessons. Goodbye.